Forex trading has become more and more popular today as people seek ways to make money online both as a full-time job or as a side income. So, I am often get asked about how to start Forex trading. How to start trading Forex. What is Forex day trading? Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing, so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. This is a simple guide on how to start Forex trading. You can take the following steps to prepare yourself to start trading Forex. Step 1. Connect a device, whether a mobile phone or laptop, to the internet. To trade Forex, you'll need access to a reliable internet connection with minimal service interruptions to trade through an online broker. You'll also need to obtain a smartphone, tablet, or computer to run a trading platform on. If your internet drops while you're trading, that can result in undesirable losses if the market moves against you. Step 2. Find a suitable online Forex broker. You can probably open an account with an online Forex broker no matter where you live. See the brokers I use in the links below. But just look for one that meets your requirements as a trader, and will accept you as a client. At a minimum, the broker you choose should keep your money segregated from its own and operate in a well-regulated jurisdiction under the oversight of a reputable regulator, such as the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, or the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, or South Africa's Financial Services Board. Step 3. Open and fund the trading account. After you've decided on a broker, you can deposit funds into a trading account. Most online Forex brokers accept a number of ways to fund an account, including bank wire transfers, debit card payments, or transfers from electronic payment providers like Skrill or PayPal. Step 4. Obtain a Forex trading platform. After getting your trading account sorted, you will need to download or get access to an online Forex trading platform supported by your broker. Most Forex brokers either offer a proprietary trading platform that they created themselves or support a popular third-party platform like MetaTrader 4 and 5, MT4/5, from MetaQuotes.com or the NinjaTrader platform. Step 5. Start trading. After completing all of the previous steps, you now have a funded Forex account and are ready to trade. You can also usually open a demo account funded with virtual money to test out the broker's Forex platforms and services before going live with your real trading account. Demo accounts are also beneficial for testing Forex trading strategies and to practice trading without risking any funds. On this channel you will find many of such strategies and tips from Forex traders. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.